that by 2050, nearly 70% of the world's population is expected to live in urban areas? This rapid urbanization creates an urgent need for innovative solutions like urban farming to meet the growing demand for fresh, healthy, and sustainable food sources right in the heart of our cities. The growing need for urban farming. As our global population continues to soar, cities are becoming more densely populated, and the demand for fresh, healthy food is rising. The traditional farming model, which requires large tracts of land and extensive transportation, has become unsustainable. Urban farming offers an alternative solution that can help meet this growing demand while reducing environmental impact. Rooftop gardens, greening our cities. Rooftop gardens are sprouting up in cities around the world, converting underutilized spaces into thriving green sanctuaries. These gardens not only provide fresh, local produce, but also have numerous environmental benefits, such as reducing the urban heat island effect, improving air quality, and managing stormwater runoff. Moreover, they create vibrant community spaces that promote well-being and a deeper connection with nature. Vertical farms, the sky's the limit. Vertical farming takes the concept of growing food in cities to new heights, literally. By stacking layers of crops in vertical structures, these farms maximize space utilization, making them ideal for densely populated areas. Advanced technologies, like hydroponics and aeroponics, provide nutrient-rich solutions directly to the plant roots, eliminating the need for soil and reducing water usage by up to 95%. Benefits of urban farming. Urban farming techniques, such as rooftop gardens and vertical farms, have numerous advantages over traditional farming. They reduce transportation distances, lowering CO2 emissions and minimizing spoilage. By growing food close to consumers, these methods ensure fresher, more nutritious produce. Furthermore, they promote local economies by creating job opportunities and fostering a sense of community. The future of urban farming. As technology advances, urban farming is poised to become even more efficient and sustainable. Innovations such as AI-powered farming systems, energy-efficient LED grow lights, and smart sensors are being integrated into urban farms, paving the way for a greener, more abundant future. Urban farming holds the key to transforming our cityscapes into thriving, sustainable ecosystems. By embracing innovative techniques like rooftop gardens and vertical farms, we can reduce our environmental impact, promote local food sources, and build a more resilient future. This journey aligns perfectly with our channel's mission to inspire and empower you to envision a greener, more abundant tomorrow. So, let's continue the conversation. We invite you to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences in the comments below, and together, we can cultivate a community that drives positive change and brings the promise of sustainable urban living to life.